I'm Leah from Jersey Drinks, here with my friends at ShopRite, and love is in the air. This Valentine's Day, we're encouraging you to mix things up and have a date night at home and craft 2 specialty cocktails. To make things even sweeter, we're pairing our couple's drinks with some delicious bowl and basket bites. Chocolate is synonymous with Valentine's Day and going to be the foundation of our homemade simple syrup that we'll be using in both of our cocktails. To make our homemade chocolate syrup, we're gonna actually kick things up a notch and create the base using bowl and basket's cold brew, granulated sugar, and cocoa powder. So let's get to it. We're gonna start by adding 1 cup of granulated sugar into our pot. Add in 2.5 tablespoons of bowl and basket cocoa powder and 1 cup of our bowl and basket cold brew. Next, we're gonna slowly whisk this together and bring this over to sit on the stove on medium to low heat for about a minute until all of your ingredients have dissolved. Once everything is combined, you're gonna let that cool and store that in an airtight container and keep that in your refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. Our first Valentine's Day cocktail and our couple's pairing is gonna be our chocolate cherry old fashioned. To start, we're gonna use that homemade chocolate coffee simple syrup. We're gonna add 1/2 ounce into a mixing glass. Next, we're gonna take a cherry bitters, 2 drops, and next we're gonna add our bourbon whiskey. We're gonna take 2 ounces and pour that into our mixing glass. Next, we're gonna wanna ice down our glass. And add some ice to our mixing vessel. Take your bar spoon and mix that up. I'm gonna do this for about 40 to 50 seconds. Make sure you're getting your drink nice and chilled. And then take your strainer, pop that in, and pour it out. And to finish our cocktail, we're gonna be garnishing with the cherry. And here we have our chocolate cherry old fashioned. The next cocktail that we're gonna be making in our Valentine's Day couples pairing is an Espresso Mocha Martini. We're gonna be using that chocolate coffee syrup that we made to create this cocktail. So let's get to it. To start, we're gonna take 1/2 ounce and add this into our shaker. Next, we're gonna use 1 ounce of our freshly brewed and pre-chilled bowl and basket espresso. And then we're gonna add 3/4 ounce of your favorite chocolate liqueur. And last, we're gonna be adding some vodka. We're gonna take 2 ounces as our last ingredient. And now we're ready to shake up our cocktail. When you're making an espresso martini, you're going to want to make sure to shake that long and hard for at least 60 seconds. Going to grab our martini or a coupe glass and strain that out. And to finish, we're gonna garnish this with some edible candied hearts. And here we have our second cocktail, our Mocha Espresso Martini. And happy hour is never complete without some tasty treats. Bowl&basket has a wide variety of delicious specialty flavored nuts, chocolates, and candies to help you create the perfect snack board at home. You could go ahead and pick up and mix and match some of their delicious flavors with some fresh fruit. To match with our delicious couple cocktails, I'm actually really excited about this dark chocolate cold brew that we're gonna use on our board. So go ahead and have some fun and mix and match your favorite Bowl&basket products. Have a happy Valentine's Day. Cheers. And if you love these recipes, be sure to like and follow for more.